Top 10 most profitable pharmacy business ideas for 2026.
The pharmaceutical industry is shifting from traditional prescription dispensing toward specialized care, digital convenience, and preventive health. To maximize profit margins, healthcare entrepreneurs in 2026 are embracing innovative service models. Here are the top 10 most profitable pharmacy business ideas shaping the industry. Number 1. Specialty compounding pharmacy. Customized formulations such as allergen-free medicines, pediatric liquids, and bioidentical hormones fill critical market gaps. Custom compounding faces little direct competition, yielding significant higher margins than standard off-the-shelf drugs. Number 2. Telepharmacy and digital consultations. Delivering medication therapy management, chronic care counseling, and prescription verification via secure video platforms minimizes overhead while vastly expanding your geographic reach. Number 3. Point-of-care diagnostic hubs. Offering rapid clinical testing for lipid panels, HbA1c, and infectious diseases turns pharmacies into first-line diagnostic hubs, generating instant cash revenue and driving over-the-counter product sales. Number 4. Chronic disease management and functional nutrition. Pairing pharmaceutical care with targeted nutraceuticals, gut health protocols, and lifestyle coaching creates a recurring subscription revenue models for managing prevalent lifestyle conditions like diabetes. Number 5. Niche e-commerce and subscription care. Focusing on targeted niches such as medical skincare, daily geriatric care, or post-op recovery kits allows online pharmacies to avoid competing with generic giants while securing stable recurring cash flow. Number 6. Regulatory and medical writing consultancy. Experienced healthcare professionals can leverage clinical knowledge to offer high-margin consulting, helping biotech startups navigate drug registration and compliance documentation requires virtually zero physical overhead. Number 7. PCD Pharma and Franchise Operations. Propaganda cum distribution. PCD models grant exclusive regional rights to market-certified pharmaceutical lines, removing manufacturing risk while securing steady wholesale margins. Number 8. Specialty Veterinary Pharmacy. Pet owners frequently pay out of pocket, reducing insurance friction. Offering specialized animal medications and flavored compounded liquid yields impressive profit margins through veterinary referrals. Number 9. Modern 24 hours express pharmacy. Incorporating drive-through windows, round-the-clock staffing, or automated pickup lockers captures high-volume emergency traffic and commands premium pricing on over-the-counter items when competitors are closed. Number 10. Cosmeceuticals and medical skincare storefront. Selling medical-grade skincare, hair restoration therapies, and dermatological devices bridges pharmacy with aesthetics. These clinical-proven products carry far higher markups than standard cosmetics. Winning in 2026 requires shifting from pure product sales to value-added clinical services. Merging a specialized service niche to digital convenience ensures higher profit margins, strong patient loyalty, and long-term enterprise growth.